I will start, but I want to make this announcement so that people will understand. You know, the zoo, they are they are cracking their brains, which they don't have anyway, because everything they pay millions and billions for everything. Listen attentively, please. What they are coming, the plan they are using on us. Listen. Somebody said the other day in Onisha market, because get into your former, so that you understand. Listen attentively. Because here we expose to you the whole plans of our enemies. Their modus operandi. You know what happened? Say one young man bought something, started buying something in somebody's booker, and buying things. After he finished buying, time to pay. The woman gathered everything, give him his ways. And the woman said, pay my money. The boy said, what are you saying? I said, my money now. Your money is 4,000 naira. They say it's 4,000 naira. You know what the boy said? The young man said, I am ESN. We are here fight. I've been in the bush. I'm in the bush. We're in the bush fighting for your security, for your survival. Aren't you enjoying what we are doing? Look at no more raping in the bush. And you are asking that I should pay you this and that. The woman said, but this is my way of survival now. So how can I? He said, I am a member of ESN. So I don't need to pay. I need to come. As he was talking, he started handling the woman. And people were watching. So after some other, he said, one other man came rapidly. Say, what is happening? Because people gather, in our place now, I don't know, people have become so cowardly. Now, one other man came out very clean shaven. Came up and asked the young man, what is happening? Why are you beating this woman? He said, look, we are inside the bush protecting them, and I come to buy something, I don't have money, I shouldn't pay, because we are sacrificing our life for all of you, so I shouldn't pay. They said, the other man said, okay, is that so? He went out. Within a few minutes, he came back with the other men, and they carried the young man. Go. And they took the young man and entered inside the car and went. And that's it. Let me tell you one thing. And they say the writer of this thing, the narrator of this thing started saying that, look, some people started talking many things against ECN. No, ECN. Hey, Mbakwa like this, we stop it. Mbakwa, how can you buy no pay? Hey, blah, 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 blah. Oh, Chineke, I say, look. This is why we need to sound this alert. Look. Do you know what happened? This is another strategy by the zoo police and military. Listen. Ndina Tankata, they are Igbo people. Because the Fulani have conditioned these people always to make a plan for self-conquest. Do you understand? For self-conquest. Do you know that the people that even pushed for during 1967 to 1970, during the war, the people that were vehement on crushing Biafra, they are Biafrans. Azikiwe was one of them. Okpabi Asike is one of them. There are some of them inside the Biafran military. They are the people. The people say no, don't stop. They are the people bringing plans in order to heal us down, to kill us. Let me tell you what these people want to do. Any person you see that come out on the market buying something, say I'm ESN. He's a zoo police or a military. He's not. No ESN can come out on the streets, start telling you I'm ESN. No, please. You know what they want to do? They want to bring backlash. They want to spoil the mind of the whole people, the whole population. So that now the population will be against ESN. Listen, do you know what Hope Uzodinma, do you know what the governors in Igbo land, Igbo Biafran land, do you know, even wicked, do you know what they say? They say that they will use money, that they will use money to bribe those people, to cut those people off, to cut our people off from the leadership. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. So that they will neutralize everybody, bribe everybody into submission. This is what they are doing. This is what they want to do. And that is why, as our leader have warned, and as we are telling you, any person that one meeting with ESN, with IPOB, eager you die. Listen, what we are doing, this is not a local champion or childish game. What you are doing is not childish game. So that you go to the meeting to get contact. You go, they will kill you. Any meeting direct, it will be directly to the leadership or with the leadership. International. What you are doing, we are not here to joke or to do so that you will get at least contacts to start having a contract. Gone are these days. People don't understand what we. Gone are these days when they will use money to, to bribe and to do you this and that or contact. And you come, okay, we want to have peace meeting. Which kind of peace meeting, for goodness sake? Which kind of peace meeting? Where? They will lodge you in Sheraton Hotel, in Abuja, Hilton, in this. So because you never even sleep in a 4-star hotel before, talk less of 5-star or more. That's why that is all these things. That is what kills many of our people. That is what compromises them. So what am I saying? Let me continue in this. Any person that come and finish buying something from you, selling or doing anything, after you start shouting, I'm ESN, this is a planned work. The person that come, the people that came collect, they are all the same. What their only goal, what they want to bring is negativity for people to turn against ESN. So that you people, they have gone, they will go and do it another place. So that to steer negativity against IPOB, against Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, against ESN. That is what they want. That is the only thing they need. Do you understand? Do you remember when they went to rob a bank and put a flag? That one is too open. People are wise. Immediately, even old man and woman sleeping. Once they hear it, they say it's Nigerian government, they know who. Yes, IPOB don't do like this. So any person that come, buy something from you, buy a goosey, buy a bono, buy this and that. After you tell him, pay me, he start saying, I'm Aisha. Hold him. Don't allow him, don't even say call police. Hold him, tell him, where is the ESN? Oh yeah. Don't allow people to come and take him because they are all the same. What they are, we are 7 steps ahead of them. It's only the gullible that these people can deceive. I'm telling you. If you want to be deceived, only when you want to be deceived. People that are looking for faults, only gossipers. What they want to create is, they want to create confusion between the population and ESN. Nothing more, and IPOB. Because they know that the people, everybody, 90-something% of Biafrans trust IPOB, trust ESN. So what do they want to do? All this abduction is not enough for them. They want to bring disenchantment between the people, so that now the people will turn against ESN. Okay, I will talk. If I look at, I saw the ESN, they are hand on Obobom, they are at the back of my house. They are in that bush there. That is the only thing they want to do. So our people should understand the game plan. Are you hearing me? This is what they did during the 1967-70 Biafran War. What they did to our people in the River Rhine, the Ejos, many of our people there, they will use, Nigerian soldiers will use Biafra, wear Biafra uniform, Biafra camouflage, and come to a community, an Ejo community, and the people will welcome them as their own. After they start slaughtering them, not knowing that they are Nigerian soldiers, but they wear Biafra uniform. Now, in order to spoil the mind of the people, this war, don't think that war is only shooting gun. No. There are intelligent actions in warfare. Intelligence or intelligent actions in the warfare is more potent than even shooting of gun and this and that. With intelligence, you can even win a war. So we are warning our people. I think my voice is being heard in FM stations via FM in our land. Please. Onye ọwụna bịara n'ahịa gochaa ahịa sị gị ise ya nyenu m ego ya sị gị na why ji ana m ego awụ m onye ESN anyị nọ n'ọhịa na-eche ọnụ nche na sacrifice ndụ anyị ịchọ na m ego mba jide ya ọ bụrụ ESN ndị ahụ ndị ochie ndị Nigerian police or Nigerian military jide ya wụrụgodo onye Igbo jide ya don't stop that sentiment jide ya ọ ndị Igbo jide on the Chicago, on the government, in the police and the army. All hand I may hear. How let this guy so one said before you know it, he got one person be I say, can you name it? I say, no, look when how money is here ESN. My hair or train a mego, but a general guy no more here change every time. Eh? Only I say, okay. How be or how gonna. Their job, once they come out from there, their job is finished there. Now the reaction of the people, many gullible, will start talking against ESN without knowing that here our ESN. No ESN is outside. All are inside the bush, taking care of our forest, taking care of the terrorists, the bushmeat there. That is what we are doing. We stay. And you know what they do now? Most of them might say 70% of those arrested, incarcerated, they are not Igbos. It's live from the pit of hell. You know why he's saying this? This is my preamble, please. You know why he's saying this? Because he's having backlash from the people. That, I'm from Olu. I have had opinion. I called personally different people. And everybody, even in Olo, everybody, even in our mama, everybody want to see Hope Uzodinma killed. That is what I'm telling you. So, why he said this is this. So that people will say, no, so he is doing a good work. This is, they are playing mind games with you. He is abducting our people, boys and girls, killing them. And he will tell you, no, they are not Igbo. It's life on the pit of hell. Let him provide those people. Let him parade those people and provide. You know what they used to do now? Anywhere the angels or non-government go do something, go do their work, go evangelism. Now, in order for the Nigerian police to cover their shame, this non-government will finish everything and go their way. Now, they will arrest people around. Anybody they see, they will arrest and start parading them. Oh, we have seen these are the non-government. Hey, we captured them. Do you know what they are doing? They are covering the shame, their shame. Because, people will say, people have been saying, why is police? Police have gone, they are crying. So it's a shame to the Nigerian government. This is meeting they held and they concluded this. Anyway, there are some gullible ones. If unknown gunmen are doing work, now they will be there. No, it doesn't concern me. They will be they work like zombie. Instead of running away because you become a victim of what you don't even know. You'll be there. No, it doesn't concern me. I don't know. They will kill you or they will capture you and go. Before you know, before you know, they will chain you. They will handcuff you and put one gun there. Oh, these are the unknown gunmen. These are the IPOB. We capture them. Who will hear your voice that you don't know what you are going to your work? Who? They will bring Channels Television. They will ask you, how many have you killed? How many police stations have you bought? You don't even know nothing. You don't know nothing. You are not even a family member of indigenous people of Biafra. Although you're Biafran. Yes. So, anytime you see the angels or you hear them walking, run away. Run. Walaka. For you not to be collateral damage. Because the whole people they are abducting, parading, they don't know anything concerning. Many of them, most of them are not even IPOB family members. Active ones, I'm telling you honestly. Many of them are there. No, we don't know. Do I know anything? You come the pass like zombie and they will catch you. They don't know. The Nigerian police don't know anything about whether you are. They consider everybody the same. Do you understand?